Everyone's doing fine out there in starting land. Alright, just want to do a quick video on the next build for the Wig workshop. Going to be doing this Soviet motorcycle. And also just let you know my Yak 3 build. Quick update on it. It's ready for the, I guess you could call it camo painting, but it's just two different shades of gray. Got it in primer. I'm doing the red nose version of it. Paint's ready to go down to the paint booth. So I'll be doing a proper update video. This is for the Wings and Things group build. It's my 1/48 scale Zvezda Yak 3. So, alright, without further ado, let's crack open a box and we'll have a look at this kit. Oops, have a look inside. Alright, so as you can see, it's a slide open box. Let's see what's inside. Careful, a couple pieces broke off there. Well, that's not good. Take care of those straight away. So we got some instructions. And weird. No decals. That's weird. No decals on this kit. Let's see, we got oddly colored screw trees. See here, we got tires and rims are one piece. And the other half of the gas tank, the other half fell off, it appears. We got the motorcycle frame. This looks like to be a very delicate kit. So this also comes with some soldiers and an 82mm mortar that you can add. Make it a nice diorama. Making sure no pieces are falling off. And I think that's what this sprue here is. Got soldiers. I'm just doing a quick overview. And here we have another sprue. So this looks like it's going to be a fun kit with a lot of little pieces. Piece count on this kit is 121 pieces, 1/35 scale. Looks like it comes with two soldiers and that 82 millimeter or mm. Assuming that's millimeter. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. It's got the mortar. So yeah, this is the next kit. Looks like it's going to be a very delicate kit to work on, but it should be fun. I built that Yak 3 motor engine, which is downstairs, and that had a lot of little delicate parts. And again, like I said, I'm going to be doing an update on the Yak 3 video for the Wings and Things. So, alright folks, until next time, remember, be kind to one another, keep your glow on the stern.